In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Metabase to Google Ads. To make this work, we'll route your Google Ads data through Google BigQuery, then hook Metabase up to BigQuery. This approach gives you reliable, queryable tables and keeps everything fast and easy to analyze in Metabase. Before we start, make sure you already have a Google Cloud project and that your Google Ads data is being moved into BigQuery using the BigQuery Data Transfer Service. That automated transfer creates and refreshes the tables Metabase will read. You'll also need a Google Cloud Service account, key file in JSON format, and the project ID where the data lives. Keep that file secure and use an account with at least read access to the datasets you want to analyze. Open your web browser and search for Metabase. Click the official Metabase result to head to the site, then choose Login. Sign in to your Metabase workspace. You'll need admin access for the next part, since we're adding a new data source. Inside Metabase, go to Admin Settings. From there, open Databases and select Add a Database. When prompted for the database type, choose BigQuery. This tells Metabase how to connect and what drivers to use. Next, upload your Google Cloud Service account JSON file and enter your project ID. The project ID must match the project that contains your Google Ads data in BigQuery. Double-check for typos, and make sure the service account has permission to view the datasets and tables created by the transfer service. If you're unsure, read-only access is usually enough for Metabase to browse and query. Click Save to finalize the connection. Metabase will begin syncing the schema from BigQuery. That first sync can take a moment, especially if you have a lot of tables. Once the connection completes, your Google Ads tables will appear in Metabase for querying. You can confirm by going to Browse Data and choosing your new BigQuery database, then opening the relevant dataset to see the tables. From here, you're ready to build questions, create charts, and assemble dashboards using your Google Ads metrics and dimensions. If something doesn't show up immediately, give the sync a little time, or run a manual sync from the database settings. And remember, the freshness of your data in Metabase depends on the BigQuery Data Transfer Service schedule in Google Cloud. That's it. Your Metabase is now connected to Google Ads via BigQuery.